What you doing, Gabby?
Me.
You're putting some on you? Who else are you putting it on?
Oh,
On your baby?
yeah.
Does your baby have a name? What's your baby's name?
Pickle.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Maybe you should take your baby, though. Maybe go put baby in her bed?
No.
No. Is she tired?
Pickle, baby. Mom. Nine. Nine.
Now are you done? Is she ready for bed?
Yeah. Pickle.
Does she need a little more?
Pickle. Nine.
What are you doing?
Here.
You gonna brush her hair? That's nice.
Nine.
You're done?
Nine.
There. Night-night, baby.